The fundraiser sounds great. How do we get started? We do all the sales and make sure all the merchants are set up in time for your fundraising season. We show you how to sign up by sending a text message, or you can share it on Facebook, on Twitter, or you can directly invite your friends. We even provide you with landing pages that you can link from your existing websites, email, or any social media accounts that you have. What about the merchants like Taco Bell, Culver's, TGI Fridays, Dairy Queen, car washes, and more? Our program is free to them. We even grant access to our proprietary reporting portal so they can track redemptions right down to the store level.